Why was the Tesla Cybertruck seized in the UK? The futuristic Tesla Cybertruck has run into legal trouble in the UK. Greater Manchester Police seized a Cybertruck parked at a gas station in Whitefield, leaving many wondering why this eye-catching vehicle is not allowed on UK roads. In the UK, vehicles must have a certificate of conformity to be legally driven on public roads. This certificate ensures that the vehicle meets European safety and environmental standards. The Tesla Cybertruck, with its angular and unconventional design, has not yet received this certification, making it illegal to drive in the country. Its sharp edges and unique build also raise concerns about pedestrian safety and compliance with local regulations. The owner, who resides in the UK, had registered and insured the vehicle abroad. However, under UK law, this isn't sufficient. As a result, the vehicle was impounded, and the owner now faces the challenging task of proving ownership and providing valid insurance. Police officials suggest that resolving this issue might not be straightforward. This incident highlights the challenges of importing vehicles that don't comply with local regulations. It's a reminder that owning a rare and innovative car doesn't always mean it can legally hit the road. Tesla may need to address these certification issues to make the Cybertruck a global success. Do you think Tesla should prioritize meeting international regulations for the Cybertruck? And would you like to see this futuristic vehicle driving in your city? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.